Morning student. Today our topic is the kinetic theory of the gases, second part. तो हमारे पास क्या है, मैक्सवेल लॉ ऑफ स्पीड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉर गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स. आज हम उसका क्या करेंगे, इंट्रोडक्शन. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल है कि अगर आपसे आए एक्सप्लेन द मैक्सवेल लॉ ऑफ स्पीड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ फॉर गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स, तो आपको ये एक्सप्लेन करना है. According to the kinetic energy of the gases, a gas consists of the extraordinarily large number of molecules. ठीक है, in a state of the continuous but random motion in all direction. These molecules are frequently colliding against one another as well as against the walls of containing vessels, so their velocities are continuously changing both in magnitude and the direction. At any instant, molecules having all possible speed in all possible direction exist. However, in a steady state, we can still talk in terms of the definite number of gas molecules dn proposing speed ranging between c and c plus dc, and this number dn would not change by collision, and the law which expresses dn in terms of molecular speed c and their non-quantities was first stabilized by the Maxwell 1859, and so therefore the Maxwell law of distribution of molecular speed. So Maxwell analyzes the problem on the basis of the statistical method as the number of molecules in a given mass of gas extremely large. It is just not possible to find out the speed of each molecule. We can simplify the try to find out the number of molecules having their speed lying with their certain limit. For such cases, the statistical methods are the best suited. To make the point clear, let us first consider a simple example. Now suppose a state the government want to find out the income distribution amongst its inhabitants. For the government, personnel will find out the number of persons whose income lies between the different small range, say the rupees 10, rupees 11, rupees 11 and 12 per day, and so on. In general, it found the number of persons whose income lies between x and x plus dx is nx dx. After collecting the data in order to find the average income per head, they plot a graph with as x and nx coordinate, and the graph obtained will be similar given as the figure 4.01. The graph will be with a minimum at 0 and rises to the maximum at some point, and so therefore slowly but steadily falling and approaches the axis is income. Our basis जो मेन हमारा कहने का है, द ग्राफ विल द शेप बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ द एब्सोल्यूट beggar is very small and the number of millions too is small, and majority of the population have the average income. The above example explain the statistical approach. ठीक है, ये हमारा क्या है, स्टैटिकल अप्रोच ऑफ सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम, एंड इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली सक्सेसफुल in those cases where the number of particles is extraordinarily large. Maxwell derived the distribution law for the molecular velocities and the speed in a gas by assuming that first हमारे पास क्या है, the gas is an assemblage of the large number of molecules having their speed ranging from 0 to infinity in all possible direction. In the steady state, the number of molecules having the kinetic energy between the certain prescribed limits remains the same, although the energies and the speed individual molecules kept on changing. ये हमारे पास क्या है, इंट्रोडक्शन है. एक इनकम का एग्जांपल हम लेकर स्टैटिस्टिकल अप्रोच को एक्सप्लेन किया है. ठीक है, थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.